Welcome back, Medicos. This is the sixth video in the series where I am covering the cutoff marks for Tamil Nadu private medical colleges under the management quota and minority quota in 2023. I have already covered specializations like general medicine, general surgery, ophthalmology, respiratory medicine, and gynecology. And in this video, we will look at one of the most popular specializations, which is radio diagnosis. So before getting into the cutoff marks, let's look at the seat matrix last year. Why I wanted to show you the seat matrix? Sometimes the seat matrix might surprise you. You may believe that there were a lot of seats available, but the seats may not be that much. For example, if you look at last year seat matrix, this is the initial seat matrix before start of round one. You look at the management quota seats, there is only one seat. There was only one seat for MD radio diagnosis under management quota. So if you are a non-minority student, then you will be very, very shocked because you are eligible for only one radio diagnosis seat under the entire management quota. Because normally we look at, or normally we expect a lot of management quota seats, but the management quota seats are very, very limited. Then CMC 50%, Christian Medical College, offered, initially the seat matrix showed only 6 seats, but fortunately they got approval for doubling the seats. From originally there were 12, it increased to 24. So the 50% comes under management quota. So the CMC 50%, there were 12 seats. And these 12 seats were divided into 4 major categories. General category or CMC general, there is only 1 seat. CMC institutional preference, 1 seat. CMC service quota, 2 seats. And CMC minority network, 8 seats. So if you are a non-Christian and you have not studied in CMC Vellore, and if you have not done the service, then probably you are eligible for the 1 general category seats. So even for that, you should have registered with CMC Vellore. So if you have registered with CMC Vellore, as well as Tamil Nadu Selection Committee, maybe you may be eligible for 2 seats. 1 management quota seat in PSG and 1 general category seat in Christian Medical College Vellore. So that's the kind of like number of seats that are available in Tamil Nadu. Now, even minority quota, there are not a lot of seats last year. Last year, only Malayalam minority offered a seat under Sri Mookambika, that too only 1 seat. There are no seats in radio diagnosis under Telugu minority or Christian minority last year. But this is only last year's seat matrix. This year, the seat matrix could change because every year, due to rounding off, the numbers could vary. But you could see that the NRI category had a lot of seats. There were 11 seats. Almost all the colleges offered NRI seats. But the good news or the fortunate thing is generally NRI seats do not get filled up. And last year, if you look at it, all the 11 NRI seats were converted to the management quota. That's the positive news. Even though beginning, you could see that there is very limited management quota seats. Subsequently, in the second round, all these 11 seats were converted to management. So basically, you can consider that 11 plus 1, 12 plus 1 seat in CMC. About 13 seats were available under management quota last year. The remaining were under the CMC minority category and then Malayalam minority. Right? Totally, we had 25 seats under MD radio diagnosis, which comes under both management quota and minority quota last year. Now let's look at the cutoff marks for MD radio diagnosis under management quota and minority quota in 2023. So starting off with the CMC general category, it closed at a general rank of 17, that is management quota rank 17 and score of 616 marks. CMC service quota, it closed at 515 marks. CMC institutional preference closed at 431 marks. CMC minority network closed at 422 marks. Then moving on to the management quota, PSG Coimbatore closed at 485 marks. Velammal Madurai closed at 454. Melmaruvathur Adi Parasakti closed at 451. Karpagam Coimbatore closed at 429. SRM Trichy closed at 426. Tagore Medical College closed at 420 marks. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan closed at 386. Karpaga Vinayaga closed at 384. And Sri Moogambiga Institute also closed at 384 marks. So under the management quota, the final candidate to get into the MD radio diagnosis last year had a rank of 1,604 and NEET score 384 marks. Coming to the final category, which is Malayalam minority, as I said, only one college comes under the Malayalam minority, and only Tamil Nadu students who speak Malayalam as mother tongue are eligible for these Malayalam minority seats. And this closed at a general rank or management quota rank of 2015 and a NEET score of 349 marks. Now that's the information for radio diagnosis. I hope you liked it. If you have any further questions, please leave your queries in the comments below. I will try my best to answer them. Thank you. Bye-bye.